everyone, welcome once again to my channel. I always start my videos looking crazy. If you have watched my past vlogs, you know that it is not uncommon for me to start my vlogs looking crazy. I just washed and blow dried my hair. I want to go to the salon to make my hair. Get ready with me for my friend's wedding. So I am preparing for a friend's wedding. You know, when you have this friend that has gone through it when it comes to relationships and she finally, meets the one for her, she meets the love of her life. So yeah, this is me getting ready. So let me quickly pack my hair. I am going to the salon. I'm wearing this fun black tennis dress I bought while thrifting. It's just really comfortable. Okay, let me see. Okay, so it's really comfortable for me. Easy breezy peasy. And yeah, ignore my small little bun, but I think I'm going to tie a scarf. Love these earrings I got. See, I love miniature earrings. I love small earrings a lot. And I got this particular one in a set. So if you watch my vlogs, you notice I wear this small one with a bigger one. But today I decided to wear the small one here and this cute pearl earring I got. I will be wearing, I don't know, I just love rings right now. I like this ring. So I'll be wearing this ring. Oh, you guys. So I got gifts. I love receiving gifts. And when you now wrap the gifts, it just makes me happy. A friend of mine, a good friend of mine, a dear friend of mine, got me this. And the fact that it has a camera. But yeah, this is a wristwatch set, a wristwatch and a bracelet from the Accurist London. Isn't she gorgeous? Isn't she gorgeous? This made me so happy. I can't explain how happy this made me. But yeah, got this from the Accurist London. It's a wristwatch. You can see I love dainty wristwatches. It's a dainty wristwatch and a bracelet. So yeah, that is that. And I got this perfume, Honey by Marc Jacobs. I already opened it yesterday because I was super excited and it just smells so sweet. The bottle is so beautiful and it's full sized. Okay, why is this not showing well? But yeah, I just love this. Okay, I don't know why this isn't focusing, but I love this detailing here. This is hard though. Okay, it just smells so sweet. It kind of reminds me of J'adore. Yeah, it reminds me of J'adore. And then the atomizer, is that what they call it? Oh god, this is so sweet. Like, I love how the atomizer is everything. Like, okay, I'm overindulging. Oh, it smells so sweet. I'm not going to, I'm going to be careful with this, but I just wanted to try it out. I smell so good. I love it. You guys, I think I'm going to put a scarf. I don't know what's happening to this side of my hair. But yeah, welcome to the vlog. So I am not going to include the main wedding here. I want it to be like in two parts. So what I'm going to do is I will use this particular vlog to show you how I get ready, and then I'll make the proper wedding vlog. So today I plan to get my hair done, I plan to get my nails done, and then I have a class later in the day. Let me show you what hair I'm making. So I got these lashes. All right, this will be the lashes I'll use. Obviously I'm going to be wearing this perfume and my Givenchy L'Intrudit Givenchy. This hair I've made before in my previous vlogs. I bought a new pack. I love this hair so much. I love this hair so much. Let me do this. Okay, if you want to get it, it's classic Brazilian virgin hair, human hair feel. Yeah, so this is the hair. And yeah, I plan to do like a half up, half down hairstyle, and I want to leave my hair out. I know my hair is 4C hair. I want to leave my hair out. Hair out. I don't know how that is going to look like, but I'm going to try. So yeah, let's go to the salon because right now I'm just preparing to go to the salon. Oh god, I love these lashes so much. I like how it looks. Wow, I like how these lashes looks. I just hope it agrees with me on I just hope it agrees with me when I want to fix it. And please tell me why this. Why do I have a pimple? Anyways, so let me show you guys my dress. So this is what I am wearing. Okay. Time to go to the salon. 1, 2, ready, go. Cheers. Woo!
To be honest, Mama.
Alright guys, this is where I buy my makeup things from. It is just inside GRWM Estate. I've gotten my hair done. Like, this is not how my hair is going to look, but I just told them to leave it this way for me. And I already have, like, my left eye is paining me. I don't know why, but yeah, I went to this place. I'm going to show you how it looks like. But it's on 3rd Avenue. So just close to, I think, Union Bank. I came here to get makeup and I bought afang soup here as well. I bought my afang soup from Ejiro's Kitchen.
Hey guys, I've been back home for some hours right now. I came back, I had my meal, okay. I started teaching a class, but network was just out of it. So you guys, I'm going to show you what I got at the makeup store, and yeah, I guess what I got at the makeup store, and I'm going to just let you in on how I'm packing my things for Saturday. So I got this Zickel, Anita Joseph and Zickel collaboration. It's a lip care vitamin E oil, and I just love this shade of red. You know the interesting thing, it doesn't transfer as this red, it just gives your lips like a red tint. I love the brush so much. Like, can you guys see this? I love the brush so much. You guys take a look at this. Like, I love it so much. And that made me actually go to the makeup store was because I didn't have a foundation brush. So I got this. Okay, I got this foundation brush. My own, the one I have is already shedding, and I just don't like how it feels on my face because the bristles are shedding. These were the two things that I got in the beauty supply store. I like this. This looks so nice. I got this brush for 3,000 naira. As somebody who has never gotten brushes for more than, I think the most expensive brush I've got is like 1,500. Getting this 3,000, I'm like, I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. This is not even the sort of brush that I wanted to buy. I wanted to buy something that was a little bit more dense and short, but they were telling me, I think the brush I saw in one of the supermarkets close to my house, they said it was 5,000 naira. And then I went to the beauty supply store where I bought this one. That same brand was 10,000 naira for a brush. No way. Even that one of 5,000, I was like, nah, I'm not getting that for 5,000 naira. And then they gave me this one for 3,000 naira. So I was meant to teach my class, but it seems like that isn't working. You guys, are you seeing this lip oil? I'm obsessed. Hey, my hair, as you can see, is totally different from this one. What will happen is I'm going to put gel on my hair for um the wedding so that it looks a little bit more sleek back. I'm not going to put gel today or tomorrow. I'll put it on the day of. So yeah, let's pack. So this is my Ashrebi dress, and I got my inspiration from Pinterest. Um, I love this dress so much, and I can't wait to show you how it turned out in part two of this vlog. But here I was just trying to explain how I came about making this dress. Every inspiration I get is from the internet, right? And I was glad that I found this style. My tailor definitely delivered. It's a, what they call it again, 6 pieces dress, and it has like a little trail. This is a dress I had before. My friend made me chief bridesmaid. So fortunately for her, I had a burgundy satin dress, and so this was what I planned to this was what I planned to wear on the wedding day. I thought I would change, but in coming vlogs you see if I changed or not. But yes, this cloth was burnt somewhere in the bust area, so I planned to use this brush to cover up the bun, and it worked well. I took this red dress because I was going to be staying over for a couple of days. So I took this red dress to use and come back home. But I didn't even wear it coming back home. I wore my Ankara. But yeah, I love this dress. It's easy, breezy, and peasy. I went to make my nails. Now my nails are actually really weak, so I didn't want to put nails on them. I just asked the nail tech to fill them. This was my inspiration. Remember, my dress is burgundy, right? So I wanted like a burgundy set, and yeah, it turned out pretty nice. I really love this nail, but because my nail is weak, as I'm making this voiceover, the thing is already breaking. So yeah, that's that. So I'd already, at this point, I'd already packed my stuff. You can see the satin dress is already ironed. The ashrebi, my I had two pink shirts and a jeans shorts because the bride wanted us to do bridal shower and the color was pink. I have some clips. You're going to see that in part two of the vlog. I went ahead to pack some makeup things. You would see my lashes. Oh, those are the gels, my eye pencils, powder, face definer, eyeshadow. I had that there. I also took my what do you call this, eyeshadow primer. Did I use this? Yes, I think I did. I remember I did. So yeah, yeah, and that was it. Good morning. Today is Friday the 26th. I'm done packing. Let me show you what my bag looks like. Here I have my, what's here, like my powders, my toothbrush, hair stuff, brush stuff, jewelry. My makeup is in this purse. I have my body lotion, perfume, body spray, nightwear, dress, shoes. I believe I already put inside. This is my bonnet. So yeah, done packing. The only thing I haven't packed is a towel, and I'm going to add that soon. Right now I'm really hungry because I did work out this morning, so I want to go and get something to eat. This pimple, well, it is what it is. There's nothing I can do about it. Still loving this lip oil that I got from the Zekel shop. And I just want to wear some socks because the floor is so cold. This hair, me, I'm even tired at this point because But it looks cute, Sha. It looks really cute. I just want it to be like flat like this. Okay, I think it's better now. I'll see you guys probably when I go to my friend's place.